Well, it's a beautiful morning here in Denver. I'm on my way to the Denver Service Center because okay, just a quick little hello. I'm at the service center in Denver. Oh my, look at this. 4 R1Ts on a truck pulling up. And a bunch of new ones in the lot, including the Limestone right next to the canyon, the Red Canyon. Ooh, beautiful trucks. One of them has the green interior. I'll show you pictures of that. But I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. 25 trucks right here in the lot. 6 more over there. 4 more that just showed up. This is exciting. There haven't been a lot lately, so there's a whole bunch all of a sudden. Exciting stuff. Green interior, limestone. So the limestone's been rained on just a tiny bit, but it looks good. This is a flat gray color. There's another one over here. That's the silver. So you can see the difference between the silver and the limestone. Not much, just a little bit. That limestone's the far one, the silver is the closer one. Here is the red I haven't seen for the first time. The only one missing is the yellow. And here's the limestone. No traceable amounts of paint fleck in there. That green is nice. Yeah, I've been, and if you notice, look at the interior color of this one.
Ooh, yeah, you got the green.
Yep, it's a rare one. And it does look great. I still don't know what it looks like in the sunlight is the problem, because it's obviously overcast today.
You see them on all the pictures, and it's so blue. You know, it looks like a robin egg blue, but you come see it in person, not so much.
Yeah, it's got a little green
on
this side.
Sure.
But you know, I mean, all it's doing is picking up colors from outside, right? It's just reflecting those colors back. There it goes, into the center. There's one coming in. Well, I'm back from the service center. It was really great. They did an amazing job. As you can see, it's working again. They replaced the whole thing. So it was awesome to meet all the people there. Thank you so much. They did a great job. Super top-notch professionals there, every one of them. A bit about tonneau covers. They reminded me how important it is to keep it clean on the top as you cycle it open and closed, just to keep things from jamming up and from scratching the top. Super important. And it was really exciting to see the trucks pull up, and the Red Canyon and the limestone that I hadn't seen before, and the forced edge interior, which is also really beautiful. You know, there's a lot happening. Please leave us a comment. Let us know what kind of videos you'd like to see as we take this out on new adventures and bring you all along with us. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.